up, Thick Boy here. So a lot of you have probably been hearing about Squarespace and other website builders, right? Most of you probably, scoff at them and say, what the fuck is this? Nobody likes this, so why would I pay for something I could code myself? But some people don't know how to code, which is 0% of the people who are watching this, but so this is going to be pointless, but okay. So I want to teach you how to create a website with HTML and CSS. Now, if you don't know what these website builders are, first of all, expensive, clunky, and really dumb overall, and like really heavy. They really aren't customizable. Like they're just pretty shitty website builders. Like there are a few good ones, but still, I'd suggest getting your own. Now you could do from a template, but right now, which is recommended if you don't know too much HTML and CSS. But right now we're not doing that. Okay. So first things first, you'd want to create the website. Not really the website, but the actual file for the website. So the file here is just going to be a folder currently, right? Yeah. So you create a whole. You go here, create your folder. Okay, and then you decide the name of the folder. I'm gonna name it. Let's say, you paid for a website builder. Lol. This is okay. Yeah, you see this now? Okay, good. And you're gonna create 2 notepad documents. Not really notepad documents, but like I think you know what I mean. So yeah, I'd run notepad from here. Not notepad, just regular notepad. This is the easiest way of creating HTML and CSS files. Okay, leave it completely blank for now. We don't want anything to be in here. Now you do Control-Alt-S. I would do a bunch of S. Control-Alt-S. Or you can save as. I probably should save as because I'm an idiot. I don't know my keyboard shortcut. So let's save as. Save as. Okay, let's say desktops. All files. Desktop. You paid for the website builder, lol. Now you want to name it. Name the first one. Main.html. Okay. After that, you go back to Notepad. And then you save as again. You already know how to do this. Yeah, and when we're in the save as menu, switch save as type to all files. Okay, yeah, and after that, you'd go to, and then you do this. Then you do style.css. Now that we've got the actual website itself out of the way, let's actually get to putting stuff in the website. The easiest way to do this is to download Notepad plus from notepad-plus.com. Once you got it, you should get Notepad++ like this. It's a source code editor, so it's not an IDE, so it isn't like. There are a few easier ways to do it, but I'm not doing that because that would probably, because this is gonna be because you do the same thing in Notepad, and I just prefer this. So you'd want to open it. You want to click open on Notepad++. You'd want to go. Wait, where is it? You'd want to go here. How you pay for the website builder? Lol. Main. Okay. Now the first thing you'd want to write is signify that you're writing an HTML file. Now this, I think it's pretty easy. Quickly, trying to zoom up on these things. I swear. This is like one of the few times it's actually quiet in the server room and I can record. But, fuck, I'm an idiot. So you'd want to just simply, so you'd simply want to, so again, sorry for, this is a really low situation because actually, like, everything's closed. Anyway, you'd want to signal to HTML that it's a program. So just put on, so do doc type HTML. Doc type HTML, boom, and then the first tag you'd want to do is HTML. Now each tag is in both greater and less than signs. That's what's in this. Yeah, you see this? And each end tag goes in here, so yes, see. Set start here. Yeah, so you see that this is how it's like this. You insert a start tag, you know, here, and yeah, okay. Yeah, so then you do /HTML. Boom, /HTML. Then before you define anything, this is just gonna be the basic part. You'd want to do boom, head, boom, and then you do /head as a tag, and then you'd want to do body, and now /body as a tag. Now that we've got basically the basic thing set up, now let's see how you'd want to create a paragraph. Creating a paragraph is really easy with this. But first we want to create the header. So we put title. Lol. And then you do /title, boom, boom. Then you do, so it looks like this. Okay, there we go. Now let's say we want to create a paragraph. There's a ton more to do, but let's say, you know, we've already gotten most of the stuff out of the way, because this is going to be how to create a basic website, not how to create like a stylish one. So then you do P. The P tag is just for a paragraph tag. So let's say I created this in like 10 seconds for free, and you're an idiot because you pay like $2 a month for the website. Oh shit, dollars a month for a shitty website builder to host your stuff. Which again, website builders don't make money from the actual builder, but they don't share you the code, so you can't host it yourself, and then they provide you overpriced hosting. Like for Wix, like I've seen like 512 megabytes for what's like, it is pretty good hosting, but like still 512. Wait, no, 10 megabytes for $5 a month. You might not think it's bad, but like, and it's more than enough for a website, but like still. Okay, but after that, you do /p. Okay, let's say you want to stylize it. You'd first signify the link, so you'd want it. So then you want to link to a CSS program to get it styled. But before we can do that, we have to create a div, right? A div is really easy to create, you know, not hard at all. So all you do here is boom, and now div, and now slash div, boom. So you see, this is basically the sub thing. This is like a sub file. This is how you can style it. Now, let's say we could, you know, Control-X this entire thing into here. Right? Let's Control-X it. This is going to be a good tutorial. I just said it's going to be a tutorial. So Control-X. Control-V. Okay. It's going to... Yeah, so you see it's going to look like this right now. I already explained everything. Yeah, after we put that in div tag, I do a Shake's job of explaining things, but yeah. And let's say you want to have like a button that says skip navigation. because if we eventually end up styling it, button. So you want to create a button. Let's say for to skip navigation. So yeah, so that's something that you'd want to do. I'm just fixing up a bit of the code. This is the add button. Let's get this basic piece of sample code. Let's get this basic piece of sample code that I got off the internet. Now you'd want to do here. So yeah, so as here, all you need to do here is button. Type button. You need to just use this. Yeah, and replace click me with whatever you want. Let's say I want to replace it with skip nav. Now I'll take from my other files. Now, me personally, I'll host this on I'll host this on what's called on hastebin if I'm not lazy, but I'm probably really lazy. So yeah, so for me, let's say if I don't want to use skip navigation, you know, I could actually I could use my own custom one, which is from an older project I have. You see, like I have all this. Yeah, okay. Next, you want to link it. Okay. So style. So first, you want to open a style.css, which you already have your website technically created. But first, you want to actually link it again. I swear. Come on. I fucking swear. Nobody likes you. Yeah, so basically that's what we're gonna do here. This is this is just a basic website. I'll show you how it looks. This is really basic. Yeah, so yeah, you just want to copy, let's say this. So you'd want to copy this exact code. This. You want to copy this exact code, you see? Now that's it for this current tutorial. This is gonna be the second part. Is gonna be the CSS. This is really basic. I'm trying to explain this